Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, Central Middlesex County, New Haven County, Northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dover Plains to near Ridgefield to near Darien, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stamford and Norwalk around 9:10 p.m. Southbury and Fairfield around 9:15 p.m. Bridgeport and Shelton around 9:20 p.m. Stratford and Seymour around 9:25 p.m. Milford and Naugatuck around 9:30 p.m. New Haven and Waterbury around 9:35 p.m. Prospect around 9:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. You are listening to Notice All Hazards Radio, Station KW.